Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of rustic wood craft project ideas for modern decor and best sale. A space where timeless craftsmanship meets modern design and sustainable living. If you love creating things that not only look beautiful but also carry the soul of nature, this video is for you. Rustic wood has this magical ability to transform even the most minimalist home into a space that feels alive, warm, and full of character. In today's modern world, where everything feels fast and manufactured, people are craving that touch of authenticity, and that's exactly what rustic wood crafts bring. We'll talk about how rustic design blends perfectly with modern interiors, why handcrafted wooden pieces are more popular than ever, and how this creative passion can even turn into a profitable venture. Whether you're a crafter looking to sell your work or just someone who loves natural, homey design, this video will spark your imagination and show you why rustic wood is more than a style, it's a story. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's explore how simple pieces of wood can become art that fills homes with warmth and beauty. In a world where sleek, industrial, and high-tech designs often dominate interior spaces, the rustic charm of handcrafted woodwork continues to hold a special, enduring place in modern decor. Rustic wood crafts have a way of blending authenticity and warmth with contemporary aesthetics, offering both beauty and soul to homes that craves a natural touch. Each piece of rustic woodwork tells a story of reclaimed materials, of hands that shaped and smoothed each edge, and of the timeless relationship between humanity and nature. For modern decorators and creative entrepreneurs alike, rustic wood projects aren't just a trend. They're a thriving art form and a profitable niche that connects traditional craftsmanship with modern design sensibilities. Whether it's small handmade accessories or statement furniture, rustic wood crafts bring a sense of simplicity, sustainability, and emotional connection that customers deeply value. The essence of rustic wood decor lies in imperfection. Modern consumers have grown weary of the sterile uniformity of mass-produced goods. They crave authenticity, items that show character, history, and individuality. This is where rustic wood crafts truly shine. A single knot in the grain, a burn mark from a tool, or the uneven surface of reclaimed timber isn't seen as a flaw, it's celebrated as personality. These imperfections create visual and emotional depth that manufactured items can't replicate. When integrated into modern decor, rustic pieces add warmth to minimalist interiors, balance the coldness of metal and glass, and create a cozy atmosphere that feels both stylish and grounded. From a business perspective, rustic wood crafts also have exceptional sales potential. People are willing to pay more for items that are unique, handmade, and environmentally conscious. The growing focus on sustainability has made reclaimed wood an especially desirable material, as it embodies both eco-friendliness and heritage. Crafters who source old barn wood, driftwood, or recycled pallets are not only creating products, but also preserving a piece of history. Modern decor enthusiasts appreciate that connection, knowing that the shelf, table, or wall art in their home was once part of something with its own past life. This emotional storytelling adds value, and that value translates into higher demand and stronger sales. In terms of design style, rustic wood fits seamlessly into the current trend of modern farmhouse, boho natural, and Japandi interiors. These design philosophies all celebrate simplicity, craftsmanship, and a balance between raw and refined. A rustic wooden mirror frame, for example, can complement the sleek lines of a contemporary bathroom. A reclaimed wood coffee table can become the centerpiece of a modern living room, and a hand-burned wall sign with a minimalist design can bridge tradition with modern art. The versatility of rustic wood allows artisans to adapt their creations for a wide range of audiences, from lovers of classic country style to city dwellers seeking a touch of nature in their apartments. One of the most rewarding aspects of working with rustic wood is the creative freedom it offers. Each piece of timber carries its own unique patterns and textures, inspiring different projects based on its natural form. Artists and woodworkers often speak of listening to the wood, allowing its grain, knots, and curves to guide the design. This organic process produces one-of-a-kind creations that resonate with buyers who appreciate artistry and authenticity. When paired with modern design elements like metal accents, glass inserts, or minimalist color palettes, rustic wood takes on a fresh, elevated feel that appeals to today's design-savvy consumers. Rustic wood crafts also carry immense potential for personalization, which further boosts their market value. Customized engraved signs, monogram trays, or personalized picture frames are among the most sought-after handmade items in online marketplaces. Customers love items that feel tailored to them or their homes. For crafters and small business owners, this means not only offering ready-made designs, but also providing custom options that invite clients to take part in the creative process. In an age where online shopping often feels impersonal, the opportunity to own a piece of art that reflects personal identity is incredibly appealing. The tactile nature of rustic wood also adds to its charm. Unlike synthetic materials, real wood has texture, warmth, and an organic feel that engages the senses. When used in modern decor, rustic wood provides a grounding contrast to smooth surfaces and neutral tones. A living room dominated by sleek furniture feels instantly more welcoming with the addition of a rough-sawn shelf or a distressed mantelpiece. In a world increasingly driven by digital and artificial experiences, the authenticity of wood reminds people of craftsmanship, nature, and human touch. This emotional connection is precisely why rustic wood items continue to thrive in both home decor and retail markets. From a sales standpoint, rustic wood crafts also benefit from their adaptability across seasons and occasions. While the appeal of certain decor styles may fluctuate with trends, rustic pieces maintain year-round popularity because of their timeless appeal. During holidays, rustic wood items like ornaments, candle holders, or wall art see an even greater demand as people associate them with warmth and nostalgia. Sellers who create versatile designs that can be customized for events or special occasions, like weddings, anniversaries, or holidays, find consistent opportunities to grow their market presence. And that's the beauty of rustic wood craft. It's not just about building something, it's about creating a feeling. Each project tells its own story through texture, grain, and time-worn character. In a world full of synthetic perfection, rustic wood reminds us of what's real, nature's artistry, and the warmth of handmade craftsmanship. Whether you're designing for your own space or crafting to sell, remember that every knot, every imperfection, and every curve is part of what makes your work truly one of a kind. If this video inspired you to start your own rustic wood projects or gave you ideas for your next decor piece, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with fellow creators. Drop a comment below and tell me, what rustic craft idea are you most excited to try next? Thank you so much for watching and for being part of this creative journey. Keep crafting, keep imagining, and keep celebrating the beauty of nature through your art. Because at the end of the day, the most beautiful designs aren't the ones that look perfect, they're the ones that feel alive. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and let your hands tell the story of wood.